been busy trying to prepare our handover note, we realize the time is also pressing, and you are also saddled with the responsibility of putting yourself together. There's no better time than now. They say it's better late than never. Today, I'm presenting to you our stewardship, the handing over note, so that it will be a guide as you navigate through the leadership of this party. I know you came at a time when we have been dealing with so many challenges. But the beauty of this party is that it has always been able to surmount all obstacles that it has faced, and it will continue to surmount every obstacle that will come our way. Our future is bright. It's still the party to beat in the country. That's why you see they don't lose sleep. Every day we cross one hurdle, they put another hurdle, we cross it. We continue to cross these hurdles by God's grace. The most important thing is that we are people of faith. We believe God, in His infinite mercy, will always see us through. We are positive. I've said this in other forums. God is a just God. He does not support injustice. You can have a temporary respite through your injustices. But when God's justice descends on you, it is then that you realize that He is the one that is absolute. I want to use this opportunity to hand over to you on behalf of the National Executive Committee of this party. This is our handover note. Thank you. God bless you.
More sincerely for your patriotic act. I can recall when immediately after our election in our convention in Ibadan, you promised that you and members of the executive will prepare a comprehensive handover note that will assist us to know where you were coming from and where you were at the time of your departure, so that it will assist us in also navigating the affairs of this party. Today, as God will have it, that pledge you and members of the NWC had made is fulfilled. We therefore, Your Excellency, cannot thank you very much for what you've done to us. I want to assure you, sir, that we have resolved that we will carry the flag and will take it as far as we can. The responsibility that has been trusted on us is a very huge one. But I want to assure you, as indeed I'm assuring Nigerians, especially members of our party, that we are up to the task. I want to assure Your Excellency that we will continue to take inspiration, to take guidance, to take advice, and to take other very critical interface from you. We plead with you and members of your NWC that you may be out, but you are not gone. We will need you to support us. We will need you to be there for us. We will need you to give us that uncommon guidance, because as the saying goes, a woman that begins cooking before another will certainly have more broken pots than that woman. We believe that for the 4 years you've managed the affairs of this great party of ours, that you still have a lot to contribute in taking this party to the highest level that we intend to do so. Your Excellency, distinguished members of the PDP family, we are today at a crossroad. We are at a crossroad because we're in a situation where some people feel that PDP must be killed. PDP must be destroyed. PDP must be annihilated. We understand the threat that we pose to them, but the fact remains that in a democracy, you should live and let others live. We've promised since our assumption of office in Ibadan that we are taking this party back to ordinary Nigerians. This party is called the People's Party. And if it is the People's Party, then we must take it back to the people. And we did say that there will be no impunity, there will be no injustice, there will be level playing ground, there will be transparency, and above all, there's fairness. I want to reaffirm on behalf of the new members of the NWC that we still stand by that pledge that we made in Ibadan. So I want to thank you once again, Your Excellency, sir, and other leaders who are here, for taking time to be with us this morning, and then for handing over their report of their stewardship. It's in 2 volumes. This is volume 1, and then this is volume 2. I assure you, Your Excellency, that when we sit down, we'll examine the reports carefully, and then we'll take guidance from whatever that is inside. So once again, I want to assure Nigerians that PDP is on the move again, and there ain't no stopping us. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Outgoing and present. Coming here.